Can you uninstall Valorant on Riot Client or Riot Games? Today we are going to talk about if you want to, remove only Valorant. Suppose you have two games, one is League of Legends and the other one is Valorant. Now you want to delete any one of the game from the Riot game. So how can you do that? Doing this is actually a pretty easy thing to do. You won't be able to uninstall it from the Riot games. In order to uninstall it, you just have to, go to your search bar. You just have to, press your Windows key. Then you have to search for add or remove program. Now, after searching for that, you will be able to see all the, programs that are added into your, Windows and stuff. So if you want to, remove Valorant only, you just have to search for Valorant. What it will do is here you have to, click on these three dots and then you will uninstall it. So what it will do is it will only uninstall Valorant. However, Riot games will still stay in your device. As you guys can see, Riot client is another thing and Valorant is actually another thing. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.